In this video we will be covering the installation of the ZagTrader plugin for AmiBroker. Run the ZagTrader plugin for AmiBroker installer that was downloaded from the ZagTrader website. If the installer detects that your .NET framework is outdated, the installer will stop and will show you a message guiding on how to update your .NET framework. Now that we have successfully installed the plugin, you will have to launch your AmiBroker application. For the very first time you launch, there will be a new pop-up window that requires you to link your ZagTrader account. You will start by typing in your ZagTrader account info. Fill in your username, password, user type and server and press login when you're done. Now that you have successfully connected your account, AmiBroker will finally complete loading. At any point in time you can go back and change your login settings by clicking Change Login Settings from the File menu. In the new window you will notice two tabs, Logs and Orders. The Logs tab will capture all your logs with the date and time. The Orders tab will show all the details for your orders and the order status. Any action will be captured in the Logs tab, as you can see from this example. We will cover the ZagTrader plugin functions in depth in the next video.